Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. It's your girl Joanna Moshka. Please don't forget to click the subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. So in today's video, this is like the most requested video. I'm going to be showing you how to run Instagram ads effectively. Yes, ads that will bring traffic to your business pages, ads that will make your Instagram account get more messages, more traffic. You understand what I'm saying? So yeah, let's dive right into the video. Now, before we start, I want to let you know there are two ways of running Instagram ads. You can either run it from Facebook or you run it from Instagram. But in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to run Instagram ads through Facebook. So yeah, let's dive right into the video. So we're not going to be using the Instagram way. Why? Because Instagram is limited and it just shows on your feed, stories and reels. But from Facebook, you can reach a wider audience. That's why I get DMs like people telling me that they run ads and they don't convert. It's not bringing traffic, they're not getting customers. So I'm going to show you the tips and tricks on how to do that. So stay tuned in this video and watch. Last time I checked, Facebook has the largest platform for advertisement. Like they show your ads on every platform, on their story feeds, marketing platforms, selling platforms, like everywhere literally. Your face will be everywhere, literally. So I'll be showing you how to do that right now. Now, before you start running ads through Facebook, you have to have some things in place. You have to have an Instagram account, you have to have a Facebook account, you have to have a Facebook page, you have to have an ads account. So we have to dive right into our Facebook account. So to create a Facebook page. So to create a Facebook page, you go to we have to go to menu, then we go to pages, then click on create, then you create your Facebook page. I've already created a page before, so I'm not going to be creating that now. Once you're done creating your Facebook page, just go to menu, then click on settings, then click on linked account. Then you link your account to your Facebook page to your Instagram account, and you also link your WhatsApp business page to your Facebook account. So the thing about linked page, you can only link one Instagram account to one Facebook page. So if you have so many Instagram accounts, you have to create plenty Facebook pages. So now if for example you link your personal page to a Facebook page, you have a business page, you have to create another Facebook page for that business. So you click on ads payment, then you choose add funds, then you click on Naira payment with MasterCard if you're using a Naira account, then you proceed and then you add your banking details. The thing about card details is that it doesn't accept all cards. It only accepts First Bank MasterCard, GT Bank MasterCard, Access Visa card, and any dollar card. So those are the cards you can use to put input payments. Me, I currently use the GT Bank MasterCard, so you can also try that out. So you click on Apple Store and you search Ads Manager. Once you download Ads Manager, you log in with your Facebook details. So now you click on Create. We have engagement, awareness, traffic, lead, sales, app promotion. We're going to choose engagement. I'm going to choose get more messages. So now we're going to choose a campaign name. I'm going to name this tutorial. So we name this campaign name tutorial for this purpose since we're doing a practical. So now we choose special ad category. We're going to be choosing housing because I'm trying to do a campaign for a real estate company. So yeah. And there for budget, you can't have more than 2,000 naira as a budget. So the least budget you can run ads with is 2,000 naira. So now we're going to change the ad set name. We're also going to use tutorial because it's a tutorial we're doing right now. And then we'll look at the messaging pages. These are the pages where you'll be getting messages from. We're going to be choosing Messenger, WhatsApp, and Instagram. So we're going to go to edit schedule. So here you schedule the date you want your ads to run and when it's supposed to end. You just choose the date you want. So I would advise you go for 5 days. You run your ads for 5 days. And now you choose the audience. So now for audience targeting, you have to choose Nigeria because that's where I'm currently at. So now you have to be specific. You choose the specific states in Nigeria. So you're going to be choosing Port Harcourt, Lagos, and Abuja because these are where the people I want my ads to reach. So once you're done selecting the states you want, you just go to the minimum age. Minimum age here is 18 and The maximum age here is 65. So once you're done doing that, you choose languages, which is all languages. So now we go to placements. I would advise you to always choose manual placement, because if you don't choose manual placement, Facebook can put your placement anywhere. So I'll manually choose where I want my placement to be. So it's going to be on mobile devices, desktop, Instagram, Facebook. So I've chosen everywhere I want my ads to run on. So once you're done with that, you click on next, and then you change the ad name. I'm going to be using tutorial for this purpose. I'm going to choose tutorial because we're doing a tutorial right now. And then I'm going to be choosing using an existing post, because it's an existing post we're going to be using as our ads, run our ads. So now you choose the post from your Facebook. Mind you, before now you've already posted the video you want to run ads on. So you just select the video you want and then you add it. So I'm doing different posts for Facebook and Instagram because they are different videos. So I'm just going to choose the one I want, and then I go to edit, add creative. So these are where you put like what the message you want to be writing, the description, what you want your audience to see. I'm going to be choosing send more messages, send message, because I want more messages on my page. So yeah guys, once you're done with that, you just boost. That's all for now. Bye. Engagement. If you have a business page and you want traffic to come to your business, like you want to get more messages, I'll advise for you to go for traffic. But if you just want more profile visits on your page, personal page, I'll advise for you to go for engagement. So I'm going to be going for engagement because I want more messages on my about my product, because I'm into real estate. So I want people to get I want to get more messages about real estate, who wanted to buy land and all those things. So yeah. I'm going to show you another way of running ads. You just go to your Instagram page, click on boost, click on more messages, and then you go next. You go to special requirements. If you're running a real estate brand, you go for properties, and then you put your budget. Here I normally do run ads for 5 days. So I just select 5 days. Then you go to your review. This is everything. You're going to preview everything. You see how it will show on feed, how it's going to show on stories, and how it's going to show on explore. So once you're done with that, you just simply boost your page. So now I'm going to show you how to run ads through Facebook. You just click on boost post, and then you select more messages. Then you turn on the advantage plus creative button, and then you go to special ad, you choose housing, and then you choose the messages. Like when the clients want the default message that the clients will get, you choose what you want to write there. Then you placement, I always advise you to go for manual placement, and then you put the amount you want for each ad. Then you boost your post once you're done. Thank you guys so much for watching. Leave a comment down below what you think about this video. I would love to hear from you guys in the comment section. See you guys in my next video. Bye.